This episode of Chai's I Help is brought to you by Netflix. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about what I want to see in iOS 7. Having my nighttime cup of tea. Oh crap, I just realized I forgot to turn off the oven. So first up, iOS has to have some kind of design change. It needs a fresh, new look, but at the same time, keep the simplistic look and feel that iOS has so everyone can easily understand it and use it. One thing they could do is allow you to have themes on your iPhone. I really don't understand why they haven't done this already. If you look at all the people that jailbreak, a lot of them do it so they can customize and get themes on their iPhone. Why hasn't Apple added a theme section to the App Store where you can go on, you download a theme, you pay for it, or you can get free ones. Apple will take a cut of it, developer gets a cut. It's a win-win for everybody pretty much. But it's Apple and they don't really want you customizing their phone. They want it to be how they want it to be. But in my opinion, that would be a pretty good idea for them to make a lot of money, and they could also change up the design of the phone and actually have each user pick the way they want their phone to look. Now actually what the rumors are saying is that iOS 7 is going to bring a lot of big design changes. One of the guys from a website called iMore says that iOS 7 is going to have a more flat and modern looking design to it. The way that sounds to me is it's kind of going to look like Windows Phone with the flat tiles, maybe not the actual tile layout, but just more of a flat looking design, sort of like Windows Phone, which may not be a bad thing if they do it right. Another thing, we need widgets that you can access from anywhere, on the lock screen, on the home screen, in an app, anywhere, which will probably be a big challenge if you want to keep iOS's simplistic look and feel. But if they do it and they do it right, it will be so much better. Apple, we need access to our settings and toggles for each setting everywhere on our phone. If I need to turn down my brightness, it shouldn't take me 5 minutes to get to where it takes to turn down my brightness. I should just be able to open up my phone and turn down my brightness immediately. If I want to connect to a Wi-Fi network, or if I want to turn on Bluetooth, it should be a instant thing. Look at the tweak also from Cydia. If you have a jailbroken iPhone, you can double tap the home button into the app switcher. You can scroll over to the left and you got access to all of your settings right there. You can even turn your flashlight on from it. It's quick, it's easy, and I think Apple could actually implement a way to access it even faster than there should be, even from the lock screen. Also, let me hide that freaking newsstand icon from my home screen. I don't want it on there. I don't use Newsstand, nor do I care to. And really any app for that matter. If I want to take an app off of my home screen, let me do it. I don't care if it's one of your stock apps that you want me to have. Let me remove it. I always have to put all of my apps that I don't use from you that you put on my phone that I can't hide, unless I jailbreak of course, into a folder called Don't Use, because I don't use them. I don't want to see them all the time. And I also want to have more information about my battery life and usage. I want to know what apps are using more battery life than others, so I can maybe cut down on using those apps so much so I can save my battery life. Android has this, iOS doesn't. Please add it to iOS because it's awesome. And Apple, I know you want to keep your OS locked down and how you want it, but allow tweaks just like they have in Cydia for a jailbroken iPhone in the App Store. You've took everything else from the jailbreak community. Why not this? Just think about it, Apple. How much more money would you make if people downloaded tweaks and apps and themes? Billion-dollar idea, literally. Or even if they don't add tweaks, just give app developers more access to be able to do stuff on your phone. Like, why do they not have that? You can still have your strict review process and make sure everything is good to go and how you want it to be, but let developers do more with the phone because they will make the phone better. And then if you see a tweak or an app or whatever doing good in the App Store, implement it into iOS. Okay, there's my rant. Now, iOS is still my favorite operating system, but Apple, you need to step it up. I'm probably gonna get the new Galaxy S4, so Apple, don't let me fall in love with Android just because iOS is lacking in new features and changes. Do something cool and make it awesome. Alright, now before we head out of here, let's take one last look at our sponsor for this video. Netflix streams TV shows and movies directly to your home, saving you time, money, and hassle. As a Netflix member, you can instantly watch TV episodes and movies, streaming them directly to your PC, your Mac, or you can even stream it to your TV using your Xbox, your PS3, your Wii, or you can watch it on your iPhone, your iPad, your Android devices. It's pretty much everywhere. So if you want to check out Netflix and give it a try, you can get a 30-day free trial right now if you go to netflix.com/Ty and sign up. Do it. So you heard what I want in iOS 7. What do you want? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm interested to know what you guys have to say. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace! Does drinking tea make me British?